What they say he wasn't. What the youngsters they say, applying pressure. You was applying pressure. Can you dig it?
Okay,
This is my big brother, Clay. He's a 33rd. I just wanted to ask him a couple questions. Besides being okay, so you gotta understand the first line of our writ. Okay, so you might not know who Saint John is. Okay, that's not your job, but you do know what an epitome is, and an epitome is like a basilisk. It's always looking for the highest point. And this man here, that's not looking at the camera, man, he's taught me and many other men. Dude, if this nigga honk one more time, bro. Feel me? Niggas be having buckets want to hit the alarm 14 times. Like, come on, bro. I had a $70,000 car hit the alarm one time. If you confident, ain't nobody going to... Like, let me stop. Long story short. Let me start over.